So we're trying Cheetos, this pepper, green pepper.
Okay, so first we have to cut the pepper. But first, wash it.
Wash it time.
Okay, now it's already washed. Now we're gonna cut it. You probably need a parent supervision here, so let's still do it. Mommy, how do I cut this? So my mom just cut it, and now we're just gonna scrape this off.
Wow. Ew.
What? Now it's already scraped off. Okay, now
we're
putting that cream cheese inside the pepper.
Oh.
I'm gonna keep that. Yep.
Now
she's gonna put it in.
Bad. It smells bad.
Just be careful. Go put something in there.
We need more.
Need help?
We need to
Yeah.
like flat it up. Wait, we need a handle like this one.
Where are the Cheetos?
This is the look like.
Yeah. Now we're gonna have some Cheetos.
How
I'm
many
just gonna put the Cheetos in.
How many we need?
I don't know, like probably like a lot.
Okay. I think we
Look.
enough. I think.
Okay, I think this is enough. Here's the finishing look.
Wow.
Now we're gonna try it.
You first.
Okay.
You first. It's gonna taste bad. Ever.
Okay, now we're gonna try 3, 2.
What?
Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Try it, Ira. See that face. Tell the truth. Don't forget to eat the Cheetos also.
Okay, you can feed us that. I'm not.
It's not for you.
You need to add not more Cheetos.
That's so bad.
Get that egg up there.
You need to try another one.
Wait. Let's go. Let's grab a Cheetos. Cheetos are good.
Okay, we're gonna try it again. Cause why not? Wait, it's actually really good. Yes, it is.
Cheeto time. No, I need one more time. Why you look at me?
Is it good? How do you rate it?
It's your turn.
Not for you. Yeah, I think I do like it.
Orange.
What does that mean? Put the rice on? Bye. Peace out. White Cheetos, I don't like it, but this white Cheetos.
Bye. Now we're gonna let my dad try it. Okay, let's go. So here it is. So let's go.
I love you.